Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Randall and Murphy here. Today is Thursday, May 19th, 2022 AD. And I've got something new. So it's called, it's from Atlantis Nutrition, Super Greens Gummies. 200 milligrams Super Greens blend per serving. Natural immune system support. Supports healthy digestion. Dietary supplement. 60 gummies. So let's open this puppy up. I got my scissors if I need them, but let's see if I can. Okay, so you got the little. Okay. Yep. Alright. So I got that. It's got a little. Woo! It's got an odor to it, that's for sure. Wow. So we're going to try it. Broccoli. I'm not really. I may give these to mom. Let's see. Let's see how they taste, though. That's what we're after. We know I know they're going to be healthy. There's no doubt about it. They've got all kinds of. Once daily as a dietary. Okay, so chew 2 gummies once daily. All right. I'm just going to try one right now. That's what they even look like broccoli on one side, and the other side's just kind of flat. So here goes. Oh, wow. It's not bad. Not near as bad as I thought it was going to be. They've obviously put a little bit of sugar or something. It feels like there's sugar in it. It tastes pretty good. Got my glass of water here. But, yeah, that's not bad. I thought it was going to be like something like real crazy broccoli tasting. That's actually not too bad. So, there's 60 of them, and overall, that's not bad. So until next time, I'm Randall and Ruth, and thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless.